Hello everyone, Dr. Arshi is here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the best recovery drink after the hard workout. I'm gonna discuss about the beer, how does the beer can affect the recovery after the heavy workout. Is it okay to have some beer in the future video? So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until then, this is a fantastic, this is best, and you cannot find it in the market. It required some zero alcohol beer, vitamin C, fresh lemon juice. This is not alcohol, this is I freshly juiced it out, and good salt. So with these few ingredients you can have the best recovery drinks. And the best thing about this, first let's watch how I make it. So fantastic recovery drink, salt. This one is fresh lemon juice. I add a little bit of vitamin C, almost 1000 milligram of vitamin C to it. And non-alcohol beer. Then you have a fantastic recovery drink. All right, as you can see, it's very easy to make. So beer has lots of phenylpropanoid and so many good molecules that are anti-inflammatory. It helps your body to recover from the dehydration, and it has a little bit of calorie also. It really helps you to recover after the heavy workout. However, most of those recovery drink, those isotonic drinks that are outside, whether they have saviate inside, those artificial sweetening, or they have some sugar inside, and the amount of sugar is not reliable, and not everybody likes to take sugar. So either way, you're gonna face some pros and cons. However, this one is really low calorie but very high quality for rehydration and reduce the inflammation after your workout. One of the reasons I add vitamin C with the fresh lemon juice to it is because lemon juice has some flavonoid, and flavonoid help the absorption of vitamin C. So if you take, for example, orange, fresh orange with vitamin C, the absorption of the extra vitamin C that you take will be increased. So I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.